Welcome to WritersER, where we turn daunting academic challenges into stepping stones for success. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every doctoral and PhD student aiming to make their mark in the academic world. Transforming from an unknown student to a recognized research hero in your field, rapidly building a scholarly reputation that shines. Embarking on this journey may seem like scaling a mountain, but with the right strategies, you can reach the peak faster than you think. Let's break down the steps to elevate your academic presence and ensure your research doesn't just whisper, but resonates loudly in the halls of scholarship. What unique aspect of your research sets you apart from others in your field? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Firstly, focus on quality over quantity. It's tempting to think that pumping out paper after paper will get you noticed. However, one groundbreaking study can do more for your reputation than 10 mediocre ones. Dive deep into your research, identify gaps in the literature, and ask questions that spark curiosity not just in you, but in your field at large. This approach not only sets the foundation for impactful work, but also attracts the attention of fellow researchers and academics. Networking is your secret weapon. In today's digital age, connecting with other researchers, academics, and professionals in your field has never been easier. Attend conferences, join academic forums, and participate in discussions. Don't shy away from presenting your ideas, even in their early stages. Feedback can be a goldmine for refining your research. Moreover, collaborations can emerge from these interactions, further spreading your name and work across different circles. Publish strategically. Aim for journals that not only have a high impact factor, but are also well regarded by your specific academic community. Consider the timing of your submissions to coincide with major conferences or events in your field. This can increase the visibility of your work when your peers are most engaged. Additionally, don't overlook the power of open access journals. While they may sometimes have lower impact factors, their accessibility can lead to wider readership and citations, boosting your visibility. Embrace social media and online platforms. Create a professional profile on platforms like LinkedIn, ResearchGate, and academia.edu. Share your research findings, blog about your research process, and contribute to online discussions. The more active and visible you are, the more likely your name will come to mind when opportunities for collaborations, speaking engagements, or publications arise. Contribute beyond your research. Reviewing papers, serving on panels, and participating in academic committees are excellent ways to build your reputation. These roles demonstrate your commitment to the field and provide additional networks through which your work can be recognized and appreciated. Teaching and mentoring play a significant role in establishing your academic identity. Excellence in teaching and the ability to guide the next generation of researchers are markers of a well-rounded scholar. These efforts can lead to nominations for awards and recognitions, further solidifying your reputation. Lastly, never underestimate the power of persistence and resilience. Building a scholarly reputation is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks and rejections along the way, but each is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your approach. As we wrap up, remember that every academic's journey is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all formula for success. It's about leveraging your strengths, seizing opportunities, and being open to new ways of thinking and collaborating. Now we're eager to hear from you. What strategies have you found most effective in building your scholarly reputation? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER. Together, we can navigate the complexities of academic writing and research, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and recognition. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your research and making your mark on the academic world.